Topic is circular queue. Circular queue is a linear data structure as a linear queue in the form of circle. Figure shows circular queue. Circular queue follows FIFO principle. Now first, in circular queue, the last node is connected back to the first node to make a circle. Second principle, circular linked list follow the first in first out principle. Third principle, elements are added at the rear end and the elements are deleted at front end of the queue. Fourth principle, both the front and the rear pointers points to the beginning of the array. Fifth principle, it is also called as ring buffer. Sixth principle, atoms can inserted and deleted from a queue in O of 1 time. See, this is a figure of circular queue. Now, this figure shows principle of FIFO. Circular queue can be created in three ways. They are using single linked list, using double linked list, and using array. Now, first we discuss using single linked list. It is an extension for the basic single linked list. In circular linked list, instead of storing a null value in the last node of a single linked list, store the address of the first node, that is root node, forms a circular linked list. Using circular linked list, it is possible to directly traverse to the first node after reaching the last node. So, see figure shows circular single linked list. Second, using double linked list. In double linked list, the right side pointer points to the next node address or the address of first node, and the left side pointer points to the previous node address or the address of the last node of a list. Hence, the list is known as circular double linked list. See, the figure shows circular double linked list. Next, using array. In array, the range of a subscript is 0 to n minus 1, where n is the maximum size. To make the array as a circular array, by making the subscript 0 as the next address of the subscript n minus 1 by using the formula subscript equal to subscript plus 1 bracket close percentage maximum size. In a circular queue, the front and rear pointer are updated by using the above formula. See, the figure shows circular array.